NCERT Solutions, Class 10, Mathematics, Chapter 8, Exercise 8.1, Question 3. If sin A is equal to 3 by 4, calculate cos A and tan A. We are given that sin A is equal to 3 by 4. We need to find cos A and tan A. Now first let us understand what is sin A at angle A means. In a right angle triangle, taking A as an acute angle, sin A is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side to the angle A. So we can assume opposite side is equal to 3 units and hypotenuse is equal to 4 units. Now please note that this is a standard trick. When a ratio like 3 by 4 is given, we choose sides in the same ratio, 3 and 4. The final trigonometric values remain the same. Now let us find the adjacent side using Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse square is equal to sum of the squares of the other two sides. Hypotenuse square is equal to, let us say, the other two sides be opposite side and adjacent side. Therefore opposite side square plus adjacent side square. We are given hypotenuse is equal to 4 and opposite side is equal to 3. We need to find the adjacent side. 4 square is equal to 3 square plus adjacent side square. 4 square is 16, 3 square is 9. Let us bring 9 to the other side. It becomes adjacent square is equal to 16 minus 9, which is equal to 7. Adjacent side is equal to root over 7 units. For the given angle A, we have sin A is equal to 3 by 4 and we have found the adjacent side root 7 units. Now let us calculate cos and tan at the same angle A. Cos A is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. We have found that adjacent side is equal to root 7 units and hypotenuse we know that it is equal to 4 units. Therefore cos A is equal to root 7 divided by 4. Now let us calculate tan A. Tan A is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. What is the opposite side? It is 3 units. And what is the adjacent side? It is root 7 units. Therefore tan A is equal to 3 by root over 7.